The US government just did something that nobody saw coming. The SEC, yes, the same SEC that's been hammering crypto left and right, has just dropped its lawsuit against Binance. This isn't just a win for Binance. It's a potential turning point for crypto in the United States. So what's really going on here, and what does it mean for your money? Welcome back to the channel, your daily dose of crypto news, real talk, and smart investing. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button so you never miss a beat. All right, let's break it down. After nearly 2 years of legal battles, the SEC and Binance have filed a joint motion to dismiss the case. This lawsuit originally accused Binance of operating illegally in the US and mishandling user funds. But now, the case is over. No settlement, no fine, just dismissed. So the obvious question is, why now? Some experts believe the SEC is shifting its strategy, moving away from aggressive litigation as the courts push back on their authority. Others say they couldn't build a strong enough case against Binance after all. Either way, this move signals something big. Regulatory pressure might finally be easing up. So what does this mean for you and the market? More institutional confidence, less fear around centralized exchanges, and possibly, just possibly, a friendlier US crypto policy. In 2025, Bitcoin jumped right after the news. Altcoins followed. The markets are watching this closely. But this isn't a full green light yet. The SEC still has its eyes on other projects, and Congress still dragging its feet on proper legislation. So watch for new enforcement actions, proposed crypto bills, and statements from SEC Chair Gary Gensler in the coming days. So, was this the win crypto needed, or just a strategic retreat? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-hype crypto news.